label claims versus clinical reality. From a clinical point of view, I mean, parents often trust labels like organic, big, bold, natural, doctor recommended on these particular products. In your experience, do these labels reliably reflect the nutritional quality? 20% additive sugar, is that lenient or what? I mean, you've already developed a sweet tooth before you're even 3 years old.
Good evening. So I think a lot of the ads which come out are actually misleading and of or complete misinformation. But more importantly, this is willful deceit or hiding the actual facts and figures. A lot of the products actually don't contain the actual nutrition, the true nutritional contents, and some of them give a content in a camouflaged version so that a common person who doesn't read the fine print is misled. Now, overall, in as far as the sugar is concerned, small infants, especially children below the age of 1, it is not recommended to give any added sugar. Sugar is an inflammatory object. This molecule precipitates a cascades of inflammations and cytokine release, not only in the body but in the brain, and it causes a huge amount of impact. Just allow me a couple of seconds and let me explain to the viewers what this added sugar in ultra processed food can
Please,
do.
please, please go ahead, doctor.
So the worldwide studies have shown, in terms of multi-center trials, have shown increase in cardiovascular disease when these children grow up by almost 50%, risk of hypertension, dyslipidemias, obesity risk 40%, type 2 diabetes risk for 35%, cancers increased by 21% of 9 different organs in the body, neurological defects in terms of behavioral disorders, attention deficit, cognitive dysfunction, behavior, aggression, anxiety, almost 48%. It's a stress for the brain. And then what happens is it's called as a systemic spillover. So from this circulation, it spills over into the rest part of the body. And sugar is then a reward hormone like in the molecule in the body. More you take it, more the body wants. And there is an imbalance of what we call as dopamine and serotonin. These are two important hormones in the brain, which keeps giving stimulus to your centers in your brain, which we call as hypothalamus, that the body wants more. This is called as excitotoxicity. This is damaging the next generation. It's
Wow.
important that everyone gets to know added sugar is bad, excess sugar is bad, even if it is camouflaged as additive or artificial
Yeah, yeah,
sweeteners.
yeah.
Babies should be kept away from it. Extra salt, extra sugar, flavoring agents, coloring agents is a big no-no for children, especially infants. This is where the brain is developing.
Yep.
This is our next generation at risk. We need to
Wow.
be careful, and public awareness must be created to put out the warnings for this.